Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Kincommerce or GeniusCart script in a cPanel or any web hosting. For that, you have to log in to your cPanel. Then you will go to the domains. Now you will select which domain you want to install the system. In this case, I will install it on neithukadakal.com. So we will go to that file manager, that directory, and we will upload the system. In this case, I have downloaded the system from the Code Canyon. When you download it, you will see a zip folder like this. Now you will extract that folder. After extracting, you will get a folder called Kincommerce, or for GeniusCart it will call be GeniusCart. Now you will go to that folder and you will see three files. You can read the readme files for the information, and you will also have the Kincommerce documentation, and double click on the documentation index.html file. You can see the all information about this software. You will also get some information about how to install this system. Okay, now we will go to the files folder and you will see the kincommerce.zip file. This is our main file. We will upload it to the cPanel. We will select and go to that folder where we downloaded the system. Like I have downloaded it in download folder. Then we will select that kincommerce.zip file and we will upload it to the cPanel, to that directory where we want to see the system installed. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, when it will show complete, then we will go to that directory folder and we will click on reload. You can see my file is uploaded. Now we will extract that file. You can delete any other folder which will remain in your that directory. You have to delete it. It will better. Okay, now we will extract this zip file. Okay, after extracting, you will see all files are here. Now you will delete that zip file for the security purpose. Okay, now we will visit that domain where we want to install the script. We will write it here and we will write /install install. When you will write it, you will get the installer. You will get some information here. Only one domain is allowed. Okay, now we will start the installation. The installer will check the requirements of this script. In this server, we have all requirements. The server meets all requirements of this script. Now the installer will check the permission. So we will click on check permissions. Okay, the server is also meet all the permissions. Now we will configure our database. For that, we have to write down the website name. In this case, I will write down the neithukadakal. Okay, now we have to write down the URL of the system. Okay, now we need to set up our database. For that, we have to go to the cPanel homepage. Then we will click on MySQL database. Then we have to create a new database. Like in this case, I am creating it Kincommerce. Now I am clicking on create database. Okay, a database is created successfully. Now I will go back and create a new user for this database. Now I will create a new user like King user, and I will generate a password for it, and we have to save this password. I am copying this password, like I have copied this password in a safe place. Now I am using this password. Okay, now I am clicking on create user. The user is also created successfully. Now I will go back and connect this database to that user I have created. I am selecting the new created user, and I am selecting the new created database, and I'm clicking add. Now I will set all privileges. Just click on this all privileges button and the make changes. You will see the success message here. Okay, now it's done. Now I will go to the installer and I will paste the password which I have copied. Okay, now I will set up the user from here. That user I have created recently. Now I will write down the database name. The database name. Now we have to write the host name also, database host. For most of the server it is localhost. In this case it is also localhost. So I am writing the localhost. Now we will click on run install. It will take time. It will take some time to install the script. The installer will do the installation automatically. Okay, after completing the installation, you will see the success page like this. Your installation is completed successfully. Here is your information. Here is your website link. You will click on this website link to visit your website. You can save your admin information also. So here we have completed the installation. You can see we have installed the system at neithukadakal.com. To log into the admin panel, you can write the neithukadakal.com/admin and you will click on enter. It will take you to the admin panel login. For our primary admin panel login is admin@gmail.com and our password is 1234. We will log in. Okay, here is our admin panel. You can see all information from here, and you can also change the admin password and email from here, the top right corner of this admin panel, and you can click on edit profile. You can change the admin panel name to any name you want. It will change your login. And you can also change the admin password to 123 to any password. You will write the current password and you can write the new password as anything you want, and you can save it. So this is all about the installation of our system. Thank you.